My name's Lindsay Hurst and I'm a Communications Manager at Pennine NHS Trust. I was the project manager on the digital signage project for the Trust, so I oversaw the installation of all the screens across the 17 locations. The main aim of the project was to reduce the amount of time we were spending and the cost of printing posters and putting them up on notice boards and entrances, and just to make sure that we had a much more professional channel of communication, which became ever more important during COVID. So we have 51 screens across the Trust, 32 of those are in visitor and patient areas, and we've got a limited number, 19 in staff areas. From a corporate perspective, we put lots of information on and guidance that we want all staff to see, or all visitors and patients. But locally, we've got 130 administrators across the Trust who can put their own information on their signs.
My name's Hugh Caffrey and I'm the Administrative Assistant working on the wards here at the John Elliott unit. We're using the NowSignage platform to communicate with visitors to the building at the entrance with notices of information that they might find useful, and we're also using it on the wards for announcements to patients and visitors that are coming on the wards, as and when permitting. And finally, we're using it in the staff areas as well for notices to staff. Our experience of using the NowSignage platform has been it's really useful. It's a very good way of presenting information to people that otherwise would be looking at multiple posters on a wall or notices on a notice board. So we found it very useful for that, and also being able to connect it to social media has been an advantage as well.
The main benefits for the screens for us are obviously the time saving in terms of the number of assets that we have to design for campaigns or for information. We've saved probably thousands already in terms of printing costs and postage costs. For a lot of this COVID signage, we would probably have sent the information out by post or sent it to them to print. So just during the last 17, 18 months, we'll have saved a considerable amount. The NowSignage platform is just a simple system to work. We didn't want anything that was too complicated because it is overseen by myself and a colleague in the comms team. We do have help from IT, but essentially we manage it, so it has to be something that we're able to do on a day-to-day basis. So simplicity is definitely key. We found working with Pure AV and the NowSignage platform really beneficial. It's delivering everything we want to do in terms of communication, and we've had some really positive feedback from the teams in the various locations throughout the Trust.